What if I told you that the key to better health and a transformed life is just a few sips away? Imagine adding just 5 simple ingredients to your daily cup of tea or coffee and witnessing the magic as it helps eradicate diseases from your body. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of holistic health and natural remedies. We'll reveal 5 secret ingredients that when added to your tea or coffee, have the power to revolutionize your health and well-being. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these ingredients are, but also understand how they work their magic within your body. From boosting your immune system to detoxifying your organs, these ingredients offer a myriad of benefits that can completely transform your daily life. Picture this, waking up each morning feeling refreshed and energized, knowing that your morning beverage is not only satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body from the inside out. Say goodbye to those sluggish mornings and hello to newfound vitality that propels you through your day with ease. The rewards don't stop there. As you incorporate these simple additions into your daily routine, you'll begin to notice a shift in your overall health. From improved digestion to clearer skin, the benefits of these ingredients extend far beyond just your morning ritual. And the best part, these ingredients are readily available and affordable, making it easy for anyone to incorporate them into their daily routine. No expensive supplements or complicated rituals require just a simple tweak to your morning beverage that can have profound effects on your health and well-being. Let's start with our first ingredient, ginger root. Revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, ginger is deeply rooted in various cultural and traditional medicine practices. It aids digestion, alleviates nausea, reduces inflammation, and boosts the immune system. Plus, its warming properties help achieve internal equilibrium. Just a small piece of ginger in your tea can work wonders. It stimulates digestion, eases symptoms of indigestion, and helps with bloating and flatulence. Its anti-inflammatory effects are beneficial for arthritis and muscle soreness. Ginger is truly a universal medicine. Next up, cinnamon bark. Known for its rich aroma and therapeutic properties, cinnamon offers a range of benefits that align with the principles of balance and moderation. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Adding a dash of cinnamon to your coffee not only enhances the flavor, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, supports oral health, and boosts your immune system. Now, let's talk about cardamom pods. With their subtle yet complex flavor, cardamom pods are great for digestion and offer antioxidant benefits. They soothe the digestive system, alleviate bloating, and promote overall digestive health. A couple of cardamom pods in your tea can make a big difference. They also have mood-enhancing properties, helping you feel more at ease and content. Our fourth ingredient is cloves, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Cloves have been used for centuries to improve digestion, alleviate respiratory issues, and boost immunity. Just a few cloves in your coffee can help with toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain, thanks to their potent analgesic effects. Last but not least, turmeric powder. Known for its vibrant hue and profound healing properties, turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerful shield against chronic diseases like cancer and arthritis. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your tea not only adds a beautiful color, but also helps reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and support overall well-being. So there you have it, the 5 secret ingredients that can revolutionize your health. Ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and turmeric. These simple additions to your daily tea or coffee can make a profound difference in your health and well-being. If you're ready to take control of your health and transform your life from the inside out, be sure to try these ingredients in your daily routine. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the life-changing rewards that await you. It's time to say goodbye to disease and hello to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery and enlightenment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, may your cup always be filled with health and happiness. Until next time, take care.